So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 22nd of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. The music just started again. Okay, so let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. We have the Hierophant. Okay, so this person is feeling like a spiritual level of understanding between you guys, a spiritual level of connection between you guys, or this could be somebody who is a very spiritual person, and now they're seeing the spiritual lessons because of whatever is happening between you guys. Okay, let me clarify the Hierophant. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the King of Swords, the Empress card. Okay, now first of all, I do see other people also involved in the situation in some way. Now this is someone who feels like they are very pretty, they're very clear that you and them have a very spiritual level of connection between you and them, and there is a potential in this situation to go beyond a certain level and become something very beautiful. Now this is someone who is seeing you in a totally different light, in a totally different understanding, in a totally different respectful kind of energy. I don't know if you guys are together or not, but now this person is gaining a different level of understanding, different level of respect, and different level of growth towards you. Now it's respect more than love. It's this factor that Pisces can bring the stability back in my life. Pisces can bring the happiness back in my life. This is the kind of this feeling this person is having. Now this person is feeling like traveling towards you if you guys are living at a distance, or talking to you, having a lot of back and forth communication with you. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Hanged Man, you feel like you're stuck on this situation, and even if you're trying your best to let go of this person or situation from your life, from your system, you're not able to do that. You're kind of feeling stuck somewhere. Although I do see you gaining new perspective, new energies because of the situation for your life in general, but you're stuck. Let me clarify the Hanged Man. We have the Ace of Swords, the Eight of Swords, the Three of Cups. Yeah, you feel like having clear cut energy in front of you. You feel like coming out of this mental jail that you're having regarding the collaboration, partnership, coming together, coming back together in this particular situation between you and this specific energy. You really don't have any idea what is going on, what you should do and what you should not do, so you feel like seeking for the clarity, seeking for the truth, and coming out of this mental jail and coming out of the stuck energies. Okay, okay, for some of you, you're running away from the situation as far as you can, because you feel like the situation is kind of sucking your blood, and you're not able to get the understanding, get the energy, get the power to resolve it. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Seven of Cups. I think this person wants to let go of the confusion. Okay, if they are dealing with other options too, or you are dealing with other options too, they want to let go of all other options, and they want to uh, sort it out with you, right? And for others of you, if there are no options, or if there's nothing like that, this person wants to let go of the confusion, emotional confusion that's going on between you guys, might be from quite a long time now, and you guys are not able to sort it out with each other. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, the Six of Wands. Yes, this person definitely wants to sort it out with you. Now, if they're with somebody else, now they want to get themselves single. They want to focus on their success and their money, job, career, and their individuality, and then they want to make it work out with you eventually, slowly but surely, right? And they want you also to do the same, to become completely single, to become completely independent, so that you guys can come together and make something work out. Okay, for some of you, money is the issue here, financial status is the issue here, and that they want to resolve that issues as well, and they want to put in the effort and energy in this situation to make the situation work out. Now it could be very much possible they want to take help from somebody else to make the situation work out between you and them. It could be very much possible, but they want to make it successful somehow, not like in a minute. They want to take their time, sweet time, to make the situation work out. but they definitely want to work it out with you. Now let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? We have the Four of Swords. You don't want to jump into any kind of conclusion just like that. You just want to take your time. You just want to like remain detached from the situation, heal yourself properly because you're hurt, and then you want to take your time to take any kind of action in this direction, or take any kind of decision in in this direction. Let me clarify the Four of Swords here. We have the Temperance, the Hermit, and the Two of Pentacles. Yes, you just want to remain patient. You just want to remain patient. You just want to remain in yourself until unless you're 100% sure, like 1000% sure, this is what you should do and this is what you should not do. Until unless you are sure from your side, you don't want to take any kind of action, or you don't want to make any kind of changes or decision in your love life, right? So this is a good thing actually. You just want to wait and watch and see what can happen in the coming future. By you being silent, by you being in this energy of taking care of yourself and healing yourself, what can happen? You just want to see. Wait and watch. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 22nd of September, Pisces. What could be the possible outcome of the situation between you and this particular energy? We have the Queen of Pentacles, a sense of stability, a sense of growth, a sense of kind and compassionate kind of energy, maturity and groundedness. Let me clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, let me clarify. Growth, a sense of growth. We have the Hierophant, the Three of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune. I do see two people, two energies coming together and having this sense of, okay, let's start from zero, let's start from scratch, and let's see where things can go. So it could be very much possible that you and your person will decide to start the situation all over again with a friendship kind of a deal, and see where things can go in the coming future. It's like flipping the page, flipping the energies, because I don't see a major issue happening right now, but here and there a little bit small issues are developing, and then they are giving the sense of a like major issue, and this is not going anywhere kind of a deal. But one of you is going to take the initiative of making the situation work out, or at least being in this energy, or being in this mature and grounded kind of energy of can we work on the situation, and let's see with time where it goes. With time, let's see like what the universe have for us with time in this situation. So I do see a sense of growth, a sense of coming together, a sense of this energy of let's see where it goes, with a sense of maturity, groundedness, and with a sense of a lot of understanding between two people, two energies, and a sense of spiritual connection. This person feels a spiritual connection between you and them, and they know that this situation is workable, this situation can go somewhere if they are not going to give up on the situation. It's hard, but it's worth it. Okay, they know it's hard, but it's worth it, right, according to them. So that's why this is somebody who's willing to take the initiative and work it out with you. It could be you, it could be them, it could be both of you mutually deciding to come back together to work on this, and let's see where it goes kind of a thing. Now I don't think this is well for those who are completely no contact and not in touch with each other at all. This is for those who are already in contact with each other, but things are going a little bit up and down, but you guys are in touch. Now let's see the guidance for you guys. For the no contact, I'm going to do it tomorrow. It will be especially for those who are in no contact, no communication. You can watch that video for that. But for the time being, this is what I'm getting for the person that you are connected to. Now for the guidance, don't hold your horses. Don't hold back. When it comes to like being lighthearted, being in this, enjoying the company, enjoying the chapter, enjoying the friendship kind of a deal, be as much as happy with you, like with yourself as much as you can, and then spread this joy, spread this energy to towards the other person, towards the other energy as well. Do not hold back. Okay, so a pinch of happiness, a pinch of childishness, and a pinch of childishness. There's a difference between childishness and foolishness. Keep that in mind. Okay, so a pinch of childishness, a pinch of light-hearted kind of energy, a pinch of friendship, a pinch of like, okay, let's start fresh with a clean slate, without any kind of resentment or anger or any kind of doubt in my mind or heart or soul. That is required from your side in order to give a push to this energy, and everything is going to be falling into place eventually, slowly but surely. All you all the universe wants you to do is to open up your heart and soul towards a particular person or situation, with all of your heart and soul, without any kind of resentment, anger, or any kind of past wounds with you. If you're not able to do that right now, take your time, but go in a direction with a lot of happy-go-lucky kind of energy, without any kind of heavy expectations as of now. So if it is possible, go in this direction with this kind of energy, and you will be eventually understanding that self love, self care, and a lot of happiness and happy go lucky energies from your side are required in order to first of all taking the responsibility of your own happiness, then spreading it to the other energies without the expectation of somebody else making you happy. This is a very big thing that I'm telling you in 2-3 lines. This is what the universe wants you to do right now. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.